Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you how you can activate your Orange eSIM. So the first step that you'll have to do is you'll have to visit your Orange shop or go to orange.lu, and then you'll have to order a mobile plan. First of all, you'll have to get a plan, and there you'll get a QR code that you'll have to scan directly on your mobile device with connected with Wi-Fi to activate your SIM. So after you have obtained a QR code, you'll have to go to your device settings, and then you'll have to add your eSIM. So in Android, you can go to connections, SIM card manager, add a mobile plan, and then you can scan your QR code. In iPhone, you can simply search for add an eSIM or add an eSIM connection, and then you will be able to scan your QR code. So after you scan, it will prompt you to download your eSIM on your device. After downloading it, it will install your eSIM on your device. Simply you'll have to confirm it, and then you'll have to if you are using dual SIM, you'll have to select this as your primary, or you can rename it and select it from your message or phone app manually. So this is how you can easily activate your Orange eSIM on your device. That was all for today guys. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.